Hello everybody, I am Meet and during my college period I have made various projects starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript till all the way to the AI and machine learning and all those. So I thought it would be very beneficial to share this learning with everyone and share in detail about the project, that what the project was and how one can build such things. And also I took a decision that this would be not just one video. In every video I would be taking up one project and going to explain everything in detail, that what was used, how it was made, where it could be used and what are the future enhancements and applications of such project. So we are going to dive in deep about each of the projects. So in this video we would be selecting one and I would be making such more videos. In further videos we'll cover further more projects that I have made. So starting up with my first project, which was a website that was made by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So as soon as I learned this, I wanted to use them in a project where it could be somewhat related to real life and I could basically apply what I have learned in a practical way. So I decided to copy down one website. So I went through a couple of websites and selected one, and further I copied down each of the element by just seeing that, not inspecting the code, just seeing the element. I try to make the element as similar, as close as possible to it. So let's see what I have done. Here this is the actual website that was that I copied, but now the layout is changed, like they have updated the website. But yeah, everything was taken up from here, and as you can see the website is cool. And yes, it has some FAQs, footer, navigation bar, everything that was that is needed in a website. Everything was perfect. I took this website and started from the navigation bar. I copied it till the footer and everything was perfect. So let me show you my project. So it is at github.com/me244/Interia. So I gave it a name Interia, and yes, coming to my repo, here on the right side you can see a small description about the project, and here if you click on this link you can see the project live, like what I had built, how it was, everything. So previously the website looked something like this, so I copied as it is. Also the animation that I used was similar to the one that was on the website. Here I tried to make a slideshow similar to the one on website, but I was not able to do so because I had learned just a couple of weeks ago, and doing this much and doing even this much was very much. So yes, scrolling down, here the footer is it, all the links are working, and not only this page, I had made a couple of pages like get quote. All the pages are completely taken up from there. You can click on any of the design, click on any of the interior, see it how it would be, click on get quote. I use JavaScript to get the details from the URL, and yes, you can fill up this form and all. So this was the complete overview of Interia website. And also one more thing, if you come down to the review section, here I have also taken videos from the actual website. So if you come here, you can see livespace.com, and yes, the videos from the actual customers have been taken. And also here below I have added some WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram and all. So this was the live demo of what I have made. We'll dive into the code, and here in the GitHub repo you will get the complete code of each of the pages. Also the naming of the pages is done properly so that you can come to know like what page is doing what. Each page has 3 parts: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The HTML file would contain a link to CSS and JavaScript, and further the HTML page is linked to multiple HTML pages. So that's why you can get this interconnected website and like navigate through multiple pages in a website. So yeah, this is it. And in the README file of the repo, I have included like what is the name of the page and what it does. Also the features are written. And one more thing, if you would like to contribute to this website, there is one missing thing, that this website works perfectly on desktop, but it is not yet responsive. So if you click, so if you check the responsiveness of this website in mobile, it doesn't work well. As you can see, the components are going on each other, the width is not proper and everything. So yeah, this is not responsive yet, but works well on the desktop. If you want, you can contribute to this project and make the website responsive, and then create a pull request. If it is proper, I will surely accept it. One more thing I would like to tell you is, whenever you make any project and put it on GitHub, the README file is very important, because it is the file that appears to everyone without downloading your project. So what happens is, if someone comes to your project, they don't know what your project is, what it will do, how it will help, nothing about it. So if they want to know, the README file is very important. And as you can see, I have written down everything clearly, what the contents are and what they do, how to use this project, everything in detail. So if somebody wants to visit the website, they can click here and it will redirect them to the website. So everything should be written down properly in the README file, because in future, if somebody comes to a project, they will first go to or read the README file. As you can see, it is automatically rendered in the bottom section of the project. So here, if anybody finds that the project is really useful and they can use in their future projects, or they can contribute to this project, they would surely do a star here. And getting stars on GitHub projects is like very important. Just show that how good your projects are, and the more stars you earn on a project, the more better they are. And like me, you can also take up some website which is already hosted and just try to design your website similar to that, because of which you will understand the process of designing the website and building it. So yeah, this is one of the projects that you can definitely try after completing the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.